Hello everyone. Today we're going to be going over the loop node. The loop node is a particular node that allows you to take data coming from a previous node and allows you to split that result into single items. So without getting too complex, let's try and distill this down into something that makes a little bit more sense. So when you use something like the query database Notion node, which is where you can pull all the results from a Notion database or from a Google Sheets, or even using our get engagement likes or comments, what happens is it goes ahead and it pulls all of that information back. So you might get given 50 results, for example. The loop node basically allows you to take those 50 results and split them into batches. So what you're going to do is you're going to loop through each individual item one by one. Because let's say you weren't to do that and you were to send 1,000 likes or 1,000 records from a G Sheet or from an Airtable or from a CRM or whatever it is into perhaps an agent node or something like that, or even into an email enrichment node, it would error out because it can't process that large amounts of quantity in one go. And so therefore you need to use a loop node to help split each individual record out into batches before it completes the workflow. So you'll still work over the 1,000 results, but it's just going to do it one by one, which obviously means the workflow takes a little bit longer. But these things are happening asynchronously, running every single day without you having to do anything. So you wouldn't be the wiser on that.